Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please do well to like, share and hit that subscribe button, okay? Join the family. Come on. What are you waiting for?
Am I really that much? And breaking these figures down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
Alright, so today guys, I'm so excited. I cannot even explain how excited I am. Okay, so today I finally did something or got something I've been wanting to get. Can you guess what it is? Can you guess? Alright, so I got yay! Yes, I got my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 finally, guys. Look, my phone has been going through it. Like, me investing in this for you guys and also for myself at the end of the day, right? I feel like I have more control over this, okay? My phone, how shooting, so many videos and then my phone is getting full and all of that. I was like, Oi, what are we gonna do about this? Okay, so I saved up and I finally got this. I'm so happy. And I found the store or the camera shop at CKJ. The name is Bfoto. Okay, Bfoto, Bifo. Okay, and guys, need I say that this was affordable? Like, I've checked everywhere. Like, I went to Media Mart. At Media Mart it was around say 45,000 TL. I checked on Trendyol. I was seeing 39, 36, 40. I'm like, come on guys, is the price going to go down? And you know how popular this is. Like, everyone is trying to cop one of these. Okay, so I was just like, you know what, let me just keep checking around, right? So I just went on Instagram. Yeah, I went on Instagram and then I found this place, Bfoto, and then I sent them a message. And I was in the DM, in the comment section actually. I was like, Nekadar, because they're a Turkish company or brand or something. So they were like 31,800. I was like, wait a minute, look at that. And then okay, I was like, I'll come in September to get it. So September was like my mark to get the camera. I've been like telling everyone, I want to get this camera. They were like, do you have the money for it? So I was just like, you know what, I got this now. Is it on me? I'll save up for it. Okay, so when I was ready this September, I sent them a message again. I was like, is it still available for sale? And the man was like, yes. I'm like, okay, what's the price? I don't know why I asked again. And then he was like, the camera like this, the combo sets, okay, the creator combo is 29,000 and the memory card is 1,500. So putting that together was 31,500. And I was like, 30,500. Sorry, not 31, 30,500. So I was like, I'm coming. He was like, I'm keeping one for you. I was like, you better keep it. You better keep it for me because it's mine. It's mine. So I went there today and I picked it up. So the reason why, because this is like not like the one from Turkey, is one from outside Turkey. So I was just like, okay. I called my dad to talk to them and all of that, and he spoke to them and I ended up getting it. Okay, so if you want to get first-hand, I said first-hand. Excuse me. If you want to get like second-hand camera products, camera equipments, and the rest, please do well to send them a message. They're very swift. They reply quickly. They're affordable. Most importantly, they are affordable. So please send them a message. Okay. Now let's get into the unboxing. All right. So let's get to the unboxing of this beauty. Okay. And also, like, the man was like, because I was like, oh, how about the guarantee and all of that? And he was like, oh, don't worry, like, usually, so there's like a seal here. Okay, there's a seal here. I'm just gonna, okay, it says to open this way. Boom. Okay. Ooh. Ah, you know the smell of new that smell of new like electronics. It smells so good. I don't know why I'm obsessing about this. Right. Hold on. So the first thing here is the bag. Okay, it comes in this bag. All right, let's pop it open. All right, so this is the bag. All right, this is the bag. DJI. This is just the tag, you know, saying what and what and what. So let's see what's in the bag. Okay. All right, so it opens up like this. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is the camera. Okay, this is the camera itself. Protective film here. Okay, all right, so that's that. This is the extra battery, I believe. Yes, this is the extra battery. Okay, let's open that as well. This is the extra battery. Okay, comes like that. This is the microphone. This is the microphone. This is the stand. Okay, the stand that you can attach like this, like so. This one, like this. This is the mount, I guess. You connect this to the camera. Okay, I'm just going to get that open as well. So this is what this looks like. All right, so here we have the wind, what did they even call this thing again? I forgot. The cord. Okay, and I think something to attach to the camera so you can hold it in your hand. Okay, so that was in the box. And then there is this here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay, the cover. That's what's in here. Yes, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so this is what is here, like this. Okay, this is the protective cover there. All right, so let's open the camera. Okay, I'm going to just peel this off. Okay, peel that off like that, and all right, so just like setup stuff. Yes, English, blah 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 blah. Activate before use. So scan the code and connect your camera. So you know what, let me set up and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay.